got Chichi Yoga, Bonnie. And right after sound like DJKH Kiniga tonight. Okay, thank you. Hello, this is my name is Kenny. How are you tonight? Okay, this is my name Kenny. Welcome to come party tonight. And the not Ryan room tonight today like Ryan room party. Not got a birthday party tonight. And Dad, Mom, Dad got Peter and Nari. And the birthday 16-year-old got Moni. Got a big hand for the family tonight. And I got a welcome, got a party tonight. And tonight I have got sound light decoration about Kenny. My name is Kenny Han from Chicago. And thank you tonight for the best band Go-Go, right? The band and singer tonight, I don't know how to Cambodia. And welcome got a party tonight and enjoy. And dinner and enjoy for the music tonight. Thank you. Please, Shiny, come talk. Where Shiny? Shiny, where are you, Shiny? Talk Cambodia. Where are you, Shiny? For the band Go-Go. I think he go home. Where are you, Shiny? Where are you? Why you drink too much? Take time to drink tonight, okay? Come on, talk later for the band or Cambodia. You want to talk later? Please, Father Peter, please come up. You gotta talk something about Peter. And Mom Nari. And the bed tonight for the birthday 16-year-old Money. Please got Money come up here. God welcome Money Peter. On this side. Okay. Say something Cambodia. I don't know how to speak Cambodia.
Cambodian.
Thanks for everybody for coming here tonight to celebrate this special day with me. It really means a lot that you guys pushed away some of your events to be here with me tonight. But really quick, I'd like to thank the most important people in my life, my parents. Without them, I wouldn't even be here right now. They put a lot of time, money, and effort into this party and make sure it's everything I ever wanted. Mom, Dad, I love you guys so much. You guys did everything for me. I feel like I don't thank you guys enough for the things that you guys do, but I truly appreciate everything that you guys did for the past 16 years for me, showing me right from wrong and simply giving me the best life to live. I don't know what I'd do without you two, and I love you guys so much, and I also want to say thank you. And with that being said, I hope everybody has a great time tonight, so everybody get on the dance floor and let's party. សូមអរគុណបងប្អូនមីមីដែលបានអញ្ជើញមកក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះសូមខ្ញុំមានពាក្យអ្វីៗឆ្ងាយទេក្រៅពីពាក្យថ្លែងអំណរគុណអរគុណជាច្រើនអរគុណជាអណែកហើយសូមឲ្យសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នាយប់នេះ
Thank you, God family, and thank you, Namo. And Kenny gonna hope anyone enjoy tonight and party and have dancing later. Please for the band come out the play right now. Please band go. Don't go home tonight, okay? Please come out play a little bit tonight. Thank you, enjoy tonight. Please restaurant got food come out. Thank you.